Check that out. Look how used that is. It's fiber coming out. This is a cheap Amazon tire that I got, and I did go pretty crazy on the street. Kind of wanted to see how fast it would deteriorate. At first it was just a little bit, like that much, and then in front of coworkers I decided to like do a bunch of peel outs, and just everywhere I went for 2 days. But these tires are not as good as the ones that they came stock with. It's a little bit thinner, even though it's supposed to be 2.5. It doesn't feel that way. It's like 2 inches versus the size of the stock ones. But I'm gonna change this out. Let me put this